Hey, Pentax Tips here. Today we're going to talk about catch-in focus with the K3 Mark III. This is a feature added to Pentax cameras that helps with manual focus photography. This feature overrides the shutter, even once it's pressed. It will only fire once the focus point confirms a lock. Here's how to use it. First off, make sure your camera is using autofocus, and the lens is set to manual focus. In the menu system, it's the still image icon, first menu, autofocus with viewfinder. Go all the way down to the bottom to catch in focus and turn it on. Now, when using a manual lens or an autofocus lens with a focus switch set to manual, you can press the shutter, but it won't fire until the image is focused. Although auto lenses can still use the autofocus modes, manual lenses only allow select point focus. This is especially helpful for using vintage lenses to take advantage of the autofocus module, or for macro photography using extension tubes without an autofocus or aperture coupler. We hope this has been a helpful tip, and if you like this content and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe. Thanks!